Oh no. You hear them in there?
You saw him coming, right?
Yes. It's the old guy in your right.
Jacqueline. 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 Jacqueline.
Okay. That's all I got.
Babe.
You're gonna love it, baby.
Who you with? What? Baby! Open the door!
Wait, it's almost done.
You gotta open the door,
Huh?
man.
You almost done? Open the door!
Dude, this is crazy.
I'm opening the door!
You look great, honey. It's
Can
the
you
best I've ever
believe?
done. You like it? Isn't it great?
See how he layered the top so nicely?
Are you kidding?
Yeah, no.
Did you
A
see?
stylist. You got nice
He's like
looks.
one of the most famous hairstylists in the world.
Absolutely,
You know?
really?
Oh, sorry.
Can you do my
Yeah,
hair?
I just need
Can you do my hair?
Yeah,